So hello friends, so in this video we will learn about like if the management want to know about the purchase of bike from the like our customers, like whosoever is purchasing bike, so that we can do better analysis and find out number of male and female purchasing the bike. Beside that, education qualification of people who are purchasing the bike, and what are their skill and occupation who are purchasing the bike, and even we can say their monthly salary. So we can find out what is the monthly salary the people who are purchasing the bike. So how we can find out? And the purchase bike is given in the form of yes no. So what we can do in this case? So we have to use a certain formula here. So we have to find bike. So I will type a bike here. So to finding bike we will go equal to, and then I will put if, and then I will go here, if it's equal to underscore inverted comma we will type yes. If in M2 we will find yes, then I will put 1, otherwise we will put 0, and then I will just click it. So in this case it is showing no, so that's why it's 0, and if you will double click it, it is showing 0 to everywhere, just because yes fam, there might be some problem with this formula. I will go here, it's M5, but might be some problem with the formula here, so I have to check it out. Where is the problem? M2 is equal to, we have to put an equal to, I haven't put an equal to, so we have to put an equal to here and double click. So wherever there is 1 yes, it will show 1 here. So in that way we can count and find out the bike, which type of people is having a bike. So let's start and begin, but before this we also have to create a salary range. So which category, which salary category of salary people are purchasing bike. So what I will do, I will go here and put an insert here, and after putting insert here I will type here salary range. So what will be their salary range? So for that I will take some numbers like 10,000 to 41,000, and then from 42,000 till 1,21,000, from 42,000 till 81,000, and from 81,000 till your like 1,20,000 and 1,20,000 to 1,80,000. Like we have different salaries here, so it can be 160, 170, whatever. So let's check it out how we can make it. Equal to if, and then we will put and here, and then we will take this salary range here, then I will put this greater than, I will put 999 triple line, so 9,999 comma, and this is less than, this is less than your, if you will say 10,000, so I will take 10,000, like 40,000, so I will take 40,001. So it will be somewhere from 10,000 to 40,000, and then I will give my statement what will be the range. So range will be from 10,000 to 40,000. Then I will put comma, then I will put if comma, and then I will put and here, and again I will type the formula here. D2 is greater than, so according to range which we have find out, like they are in for 10, 20, 40, and comma, and again D2 is less than 81,000. In this case I am thinking, so the range will be from in that case it will be from 41,000 till 80,000. So this is the range. So we are making a range so that it will be more clear. Then I will put if again and bracket open, and then I pull and this time I will take range. D2 is greater than 81,000, and D2 is less than 1,21,000. then I will close this. So we are putting and then I will give the range here 81,000 to 1,20,000. Again I will give if function, and then I will put and here, and this time I will take a little bit long range. D2 is greater than 1,21,000 till less than 1,80,000 I will take, and I will close this, and then I will take a range here 1,21,000 till 1,80,000. So this is our range, and else I will give comma and just close this. So we have an answer here. I will just drag it throughout, so we are finding the range here. So we have a different range here. People who are under 10 to 40, they will be showing under 40. So like this. People under 40 to 80, they will be shown in this range. So we have already created range. Now we will find some insight from this data. So we will go here. First of all, I will write the question here. First of all is what we say that marital status, not marriage, gender. So we will find according to gender. So we go to insert, click here, and then I will go here, and from table range go to the table, click here, and then I will put Control Shift and your right arrow key and down arrow key and press OK. So here we are finding the bikes data according to gender. So here I will go, and then I will go to the bikes. So now we are able to find according to bikes. Now what we will do, we will go to pivot chart and create a pivot chart here. So female have 442 female have, and whereas male have 250 bikes. So this is the difference which we can find from this data. So this is the way we can find male have more bike than females, but they are totally, or either we can change them. Instead of that, it's not look good, we can change that to percentage also. Go here and percentage of grand total, so that will be better. It show more accurate result. And then I will go to pivot chart and then convert it into a chart. So pie chart. Okay, so this will show a more better result. Similarly, I go here, insert, and this time pivot table, from tables, and then I will go to bike, and this time I find out according to their salary range. Second will be secondary range. Control I will select this, Control Shift Enter, and complete table. Okay, so salary range I will take. So we have a salary range here, and number of bike people will having according to their salary range. So we can find it. So I will just go below, cut it down, so we can find according to salary range how many people are having more bike. People who are under 10,000 to 40,000 have more bikes than the people on the higher, or either in the 40, in the 80 that have more bike. So this is the way we are finding the solution. We can convert into chart also. I will go here, pivot chart. So we have another chart here. So this is the second chart. Another thing what we can do here, the next thing is we find according to their education. So for education and occupation, we go down here, and find more reports. Insert pivot chart here, go to the bike table here and go till from the beginning, control enter, control shift arrow key, and just select the complete table. And this time we will find according to their education the number of bikes the people are having, and just click on bikes, and like we are finding the bike according to there, and just close this. Just go there and pivot chart. I think you can even take a bar chart also here, so the picture will be clear. So this is our bike chart. We can change the name also here, total and whatever. We just close it and just change its name. So this is according to gender. I will put their gender, male, female. Here I will go, I'll just close this, and this is here according to salary range. So whatever salary they have, according to that we can find out which salary range people are having, which gender people are getting the bike. So like male, female both are having the bike. Similarly the education, here we will put the education, and the last one what we will do, we will find according to their occupation, what sort of occupation they do. So for that we go there, go to insert pivot table from tables. It's very simple, but we have to just analyze the data. So we are going there, control, starting from the beginning, control shift left arrow key, right arrow key and down arrow key. So we have selected the complete table here. Okay, so now we have taken according to your degree. Now we have taken according to their education. Education we have taken. Next is their occupation and number of bikes, and just go out of it. And here we can change the occupation here, and now we will go here and convert it into a pivot chart. So whatever way of chart you like, you can make it. I will take this one and press OK. So we have a lot of chart here, and through this chart you can find the data and you can convert into an useful insight for the company. So this is very important. We can even rename this and put it here also, dashboard. And if you will go here, we can copy it. We go down, just copy it, control C, and just put here this chart. Just click outside, then we will go here, salary range, control C, and then I will put it here also. So chart shows a practical way how we can manage our company data and make it more clearer to the public, to our management and all the people around us. And that is very useful way of finding insights and creating something for the company, which is very useful. So we can change all the things whatever we like. Here we can change it according to, if you want, like salary range, education is there, occupation. So we will just go here, just close this and just delete this, and I will put here occupation, and I will go here, and in the view tab I will just remove the grid line. So this is the status which we are showing the people who are having bikes. It even contain your male and female, and lot of people, professionals, are having more bikes. as compared to others. So it help us out how we can find out better people, like salary range it is showing generally. So actually it's a demo idea, but this way a company can find out insight from data and use data analysis for very useful insight. Thank you very much from my side.